Hey guys, this is RV from Nokia Revolution, and this is the unboxing of the Lumia 510. Lumia 510 is the cheapest Windows Phone powered smartphone by Nokia, and Lumia 510 is also running on the Windows Phone 7.8, which visually bridging the gap on the more advanced Windows Phone 8. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so you'll see the Lumia 510 smartphone. Alright, so on the side you have the volume rocker button, the lock screen button, and the camera button. On the back you have the loudspeaker grill, the Nokia brand, and the 5 megapixel camera. On the top you also have the 3.5mm jack for the headset, and of course on the bottom you have the micro USB port. Okay. Alright, inside the box you have the Nokia Care list of contact numbers and their branches. Of course, the Lumia 510 manual. Alright, you also have a bunch of goodies inside. You have the BP3L Nokia battery, the Lumia 510 charger, of course the headset, and the micro USB cable for data transfer, and of course for charging your Lumia 510. Okay, let's put it back here. Okay, let's try to turn on the Lumia 510. Oops. Alright. And of course inside you have the micro SIM card slot over here. Okay. Alright, so let's turn on the Lumia 510. Alright, and we should also expect a different splash screen since it's already running on the Windows Phone 7.8. There you go. Okay, so this is the Windows Phone 7.8 interface now. It looks actually like a Windows Phone 8. It's very smooth, and you have different icons now that you can resize. So again guys, this is the quick unboxing of the Lumia 510. You can subscribe to us on our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook, Nokia Revolution. You can also follow us on Twitter. And the full review of the Lumia 510 will be posted on our blog at www.nokiarevolution.com. Alright, again, this is RV, and thank you for watching.